What is going on, guys? Let me guess. Your oven light's not working. Well, mine isn't either, but I'm going to teach y'all how to fix it. So guess what time it is? Not really. It's time to learn how to do this. After you unplug your range, go down below. So what you do first is you just go counterclockwise to open this housing here. Next, you're going to just unscrew the bulb here, the one that's not working. Alright, this is what you need as a replacement. 40 watt, 120 volt bulb. I bought this off Amazon, and down below in the description I'll have a link on where you can pick one up as well. Just a few bucks. So what you do now is go in there, pop it in, go clockwise, and then plug this in. There you go. Thank you all for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for many more useful tips on how to save money, knowing what to do and how to do it. Peace out.